old crap in marketing. Throw your budget in the trash, it's been a disaster. Savage Global's here to burn it all down. We'll give you results, not another clown. Control your hours, do what you want. We'll tear up the rule book and let you flaunt. Transparent reports that slap you in the face. No wasted cash, no fake chase. Your creative team, oh they're wild. Video, web, socials, we go buck wild. All those hours up, they're yours to keep. We break the mold, go freaking deep. Savage Global Marketing's last stand. Take control, let's ignite your brand. No more lies, no more delay. Join us now, let's pay